Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Command Prompt or Terminal. Right-click the top result, and choose the Run as Administrator option. Type this command to install the RyTuneX tool on Windows 11 and press Enter. Now, open Start, then search for RyTuneX and click the top result to open the app. Click the Continue button to create a restore point. Select the system drive, then click the Create button. On RyTuneX, click on Privacy. Under the Advertising Settings section, Telemetry Settings and Other Settings section, you can disable telemetry and other privacy settings. Once you complete the steps, the new configuration will take effect, reducing the amount of data Windows 11 shares with Microsoft.